Hello, Namaskar, good morning. I hope you're doing good. How are you? Are you fine? Are you eating right? Are you eating for yourself? Or are you trying to feed your senses? Well, I've got something for you. Um, I suppose this video comes across those who are under a transformation or who want to go through a transformation, and transformation and change are different things, okay? Transformation is like, I'm not talking about the reels kind of transformation. Transformation is where it literally flips from this to this. There's a lot of difference when it flips from this to this. A change may be like you using this finger instead of this finger, or this instead of this, or this instead of this, something like that, like a little bit. But a transformation change your perception itself. So if you are transforming, why are you transforming? Because you've been through things, because you've seen a lot of things, because a lot of hidden things have come up, because you have earned a lot of knowledge, because you have earned yourself back, because you have learned how to break yourself into pieces so that you can understand yourself piece by piece. Imagine a cup, a porcelain cup, or a clay cup breaking. You break it. Imagine yourself breaking it with a hammer to see what it is. And then you take it out piece by piece and you see the layers inside, and you see how it was heated up in the furnace, and you see how it was painted, and the layers of uh, that glaze, and the layers of paint and all of that. You try to see how the layers were inside. Imagine if you were that cup and you were the one breaking it, because you want to see how it was formed, you want to see why it was formed the way it was, why it was experiencing the things, why is it that only the hottest things are poured into the clay cups or the porcelain cups? Why is it that only they can hold it? Why is it that they had to go through the blast furnace, the heat that is extreme? But then you understand that it only because it went through all of those things can it endure what it is enduring now, can it hold the value that it holds now. So because you have endured those things, you learned those valuable lessons, so you receive those lessons in exchange for the pain. But now that pain needs to go. It's not meant to be with you for long. You're meant to work with the lessons ahead, not the pain that took you with it. Everything has got a price to pay for, and that's the price you paid. But you got to gift yourself now. You need to understand that life is a blessing itself. I hope you already know this. I really hope if you're coming across this video is just a confirmation and not something that you're listening to for the first time. I really hope you already know these things. I hope you understand that you are a blessing yourself, that your life is a blessing itself, and you're not meant to manifest it. You're not meant to manifest blessings. You're not meant to manifest love. You are that. You don't need to, because it has always been there. It has always been a part of you. It has always been who you are. It's just that you never saw it. It's just that you never understood who you were. But now that you've understood yourself, you've taken the time to break yourself, you've been through that, you've felt hurt, and you have given yourself all of that, and now you have pieced it together. And have you seen that art of, I think it comes from China, I'm not sure, China or Japan, that they put it back together and they put a gold paint like thing, it's actual gold on the cup, and then the cup becomes even more expensive, even more valuable. That is who you've become. That is what you are now, because each and every single part of you now knows who you are. You don't have to know the world. You don't have to know what is happening out there, what is happening at your school. You don't have to know what is happening at your workplace, in your friend's life, what they think about you, what your soulmate thinks, if there's a soulmate, if there's not, what's happening with your finances, if there's a thing called your finances, how's your business going to. You just don't need to think about any of it. All you need to know is that who you are, what you're doing, if you're liking what you're doing, if you think what you're doing is necessary and needs to be done, And if you're happy with yourself, if you are happy with yourself, who cares what the world thinks? The world doesn't even exist. The world just doesn't exist. All that exists in the world is you. You competing against you making friends with yourself, you talking to yourself. It's just different versions of you because everything has come from the same source. It has just taken a different shape, a different color, a different language, a different body. But it's the same. Everything is the same. One piece. Just one piece. I hope you understand that you are not the pain, that you are not the trauma, that you are not the negativity, you are not the trouble, that you are not the drama. You are none of the judgments that or the opinions that you thought you were. And you don't need to manifest. You just don't need to manifest because it already exists. Because you yourself are a manifestation. You yourself are the universe manifesting itself in human form. You are the universe manifesting itself in human form. What more do you want? I really hope you hear that again and understand. Rewind it and hear it again and understand what it means until it sits in every single part of your brain that you are the universe itself. You must know it, and you must carry yourself with that knowledge, and you must carry yourself with that information and that clarity and that love. What would you do if you had the universe standing in front of you? You would care, you would nurture, you would do everything you can. It's a confirmation. Then, if you are a manifestation, why wouldn't you do it to yourself? Let yourself be broken, let your identities break, let your ego break. It is the reason for your transformation. That is what will cause your transformation. Comfort will not give you any change. Comfort will give you only comfort. It won't even give you any information, any knowledge. Even to qualify a degree, even to have a college degree, or even to have a good grade in an examination, you have to put yourself into that process of learning and understanding and that discomfort of not knowing things. You won't know everything, right? You cannot know everything, and it's okay. It's completely okay. You will learn if you want to. You can learn if you want to. So let your self sit there in that process of not knowing things. It's okay to not know things. It's okay to not know someone. It's okay to not know a circumstance. It's okay to not know if this is going to work out or this is not going to work out. Just have faith that whatever happens, not what you want, whatever happens, it is going to be the thing that was needed to happen. It is something that was orchestrated by the universe itself. It was orchestrated by yourself so that you can see your original version, so that you can see your connection with the universe. Everything that happens around you is just so that you see your true self. It's just so that you see your true self. There's no other reason. Nothing is here to give you just the pain. The pain is meant to transform you. It's meant to teach you something. And then it's meant to live your life. Right? You leave it. You don't hold on to it. You let it go. Even the joy is meant to be here to give you an experience. You're meant to experience it, have fun, dance with it, and then let it go too. Let it go. Just be with yourself, with nothing, with no emotion, with no material, with no value, with no identity. Sit with yourself, having nothing in your hands. No material, no spiritual value, no physical value, no humans, nothing. Just nothing. Just sit with yourself with nothing. Then you will see yourself. It may hurt initially because the images your brain has portrayed and told you that this is who you are and that is who you are. When they're getting destroyed, it does hurt because you did put some emotion into it. But let it go. Let it happen. Let it happen. Let things just happen because they will. They naturally do. If you try to resist it now, while it's happening gently, it'll happen in a rude manner. Awakenings can be rude sometimes. You better let it happen while it's gentle. And be gentle on yourself because you are a blessing. You were born as a blessing. And I hope you understand soon that there's nothing called as a blessing or a curse because everything that's happening is just for you. Just for you. So it is a blessing no matter what it looks like. But until that conclusion comes into your life, stay with the thought that you are a blessing for yourself and for everybody who's around. And do not misuse it. Do not take it in a toxic manner. Do not force things upon yourself or anybody else. Just be yourself.